Hello and welcome class 7 students. Today in this class I am going to start a new chapter of your annual syllabus from algebra part, and that is equations. It is a new chapter that we are starting, and this chapter is starting from exercise 19. So today onwards we will do few classes of exercise 19 equation chapter. This is a part of your algebra chapter and most important chapter for annual syllabus, because from today onwards I will be starting from this video onwards I will be starting the annual syllabus of algebra. So exercise 19 is based on certain equations means you have to evaluate the variables. You have to find the value of certain variables given in the sum. There will be only one variable given in the sum, and you have to ascertain the numeric value of that variable from the sum given. Suppose I'll show you through few examples. Exercise 19 contains variety of sums. From that I'm solving sum number 22. Actually solving the equation starts from sum number 16 to 40. It starts from sum number 16 to 40, solving the equation, all the solve. So I will be providing you certain videos from these sums. So my first sum for today, with which I am going to explain to you to how to solve the an equation, is sum number 22. Suppose in sum number 22 it is given 4 3x plus 2 minus 3x equals to 8x plus 10. This is given in the sum. From this sum, what you have to do is you have to evaluate. You can see that in whole this sum, x is the only variable, x. So you have to evaluate x. You have to ascertain the numeric value of x. So how will we find out? 4 into 3x is 12x plus 8 minus 3x equals to 8x plus 10. Next step, what you will do is you will bring all the algebraic variables, all the variables in one side, and shift all the constant in the other side. If you shift all the variables in the left hand side of the equals to sign, then try to keep all the constant in the right hand side of the equation. So 12x minus 3x minus 8x you will keep in the left hand side, which is called LHS, and in the right hand side you will keep 10 is there, and minus 8. Now I will tell you why plus 8 becomes minus 8, plus 8x becomes minus 8x. Why? This is the importance of equation. That is, whenever any variable or whenever any numerical constant will change the position from one hand side to the other hand side. For example, if it changes position from left hand side to the right hand side or right hand side to the left hand side, whatever, by changing the position, the sign will automatically get reversed. The sign will change. If it is plus in the left hand side, while shifting to its position to the right hand side, it will become minus. And from if it is shifted from right hand side to the left hand side, the plus will become minus. If it is minus, then it will become plus. So that's why here 8x, by changing its position from the right hand side to the left hand side, it has become minus 8x, because it has changed its position from RHS to LHS. Again you can see 8 plus 8 was there, which has changed the position and it has moved to the right hand side. So you can see this plus 8 is becoming minus 8. So from these steps what we have learned is that whether it is a variable, whether it is an algebraic variable or a numerical constant, by changing the position, the sign will automatically be reversed. So in the next step, we will just do add or less. 12x minus 3x minus 8x gives you 12x minus 11x. And 10 minus 8 gives you 2. So x equals to 2. X equals to 2. The value of x is equals to 2. You can see from here x is equals to 2. So this is the answer. The numerical value of x is 2. The variable x is equal to 2. The value of variable x is 2. In this way we will solve the equation. Let's solve another equation with which you will understand how to solve the sums. Sum number 23. Sum number 23, it is given that 2 into 3x plus 5. 2 into 3x plus 5 is equal to 8x plus 4. So now what you have to do is, you have to first remove the bracket and multiply this 2 with the inside variables. 2 into 3x will give you 6x. 2 into 5 will give you 10. So 6x plus 10 is equal to 8x plus 4. Now what you will do is, you will change the position. 8x you will bring from the left hand side to the right hand side. So 6x. So by bringing 8x to the right hand side, the sign will automatically change. So 6x minus 8x is equal to 4. 4 will be as it is and 10 will shift its position to the left hand side. So 4 minus 10. You can see that plus 10 becomes minus 10 and plus 8x becomes minus 8x, because I have told you whether it is a constant or a algebraic variable, by changing its position to one hand side, the sign will get reversed. So what is the answer coming? 6x minus 8x is equal to minus 2x. And 4 minus 10 is minus 6. So minus 2x is equal to minus 6. So how will you find out x now? So you have found out this. Now what will happen is, minus 2x minus x, you have to find out the value of minus x. This 2, the multiplier of x, 2, it will be removed. How? It will go as a denominator below 6. That is 6 by minus 6 by minus 2. Minus 6 by minus 2. You can see that x will be kept as it is, and this multiplier minus 2 will be cross multiplied and it will be placed as a denominator of minus 6. So minus 6 by minus 2, minus and minus will cancel, 2 and 6 will cancel because 2 3s are 6. The quotient will be 3. So answer of this sum, the value of x becomes 3. X equals to 3. This is the answer of the sum. X equals to 3. This is the answer of the sum. In this way, different equation is to be solved. Different type of equation we will solve following this method. In my upcoming videos also, I will show you different types of equation with which your doubts will be cleared. Till then, goodbye.